Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another video. In this video, why you shouldn't live in your car.
That is, until you do these 5 things.
The most important thing is to have a comfortable bed or sleeping area. And it doesn't matter how you build it, but what does matter is that you have a comfortable mattress. I would recommend the best quality mattress that you can afford. Don't skimp on that like I did. Just go out and buy a good quality piece of memory foam so that you can have the best night's sleep possible. Sort out a system for storing food and water. I usually just use these plastic soft drink bottles. They're great and you can refill them over and over. They hold a good amount of water, enough for a whole day's drinking water and cooking. To store my food, I use one of these fabric shopping bags. They're really useful, and when it doesn't have anything in it, it packs down really small. A small cooking set like this will save you a lot of money. It means you can cook your own meals anywhere on the road. So having a power supply in your vehicle is one of my top tips, and the reason for that is if you're charging things off the car battery, you run the risk of the car battery going flat and then you will not be able to start your car. So for that reason, I have solar panel on the roof, a couple of batteries underneath the seat here, and this solar charge controller that I can plug in and charge my USB charging devices such as phones and whatnot. I can also run LED lights in the vehicle to give me a bit of light to do things like cooking or organizing stuff in the dark. Window coverings are another really important thing to have in your vehicle if you're planning to live in it. So I would recommend putting tints on the windows. You can buy window tint film yourself and do it yourself. That's a great idea. It will save you a lot of money if you have the skills to do it. Otherwise, go to the professionals. You can also build your own window covering screens like I've done here. This screen is just built out of fabric and wire. I use glue to glue it around the edges since I don't have a sewing machine. But you can create it however you like. Window tints are really important. It stops people looking into the vehicle. It stops sun pouring into the windows. It stops a lot of light coming in at night time if you happen to park under a street light. And it also makes your vehicle look super cool. The other tip I have is get yourself a folding bike. You can store it easily in your car. Even if you are trying to live in your car, there will generally be enough room to store a folding bike. You can use it to ride to work, save yourself on parking costs in the city. If you're exploring new places, you can use the folding bike to park on the outskirts of town and explore the central city and explore different areas. You can use it for riding on the weekend. It's good for your health and it will open up a whole new world of possibilities. So that's my video of why you shouldn't live in your car without doing these 5 things. And my name's Andy, you're watching Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.